little bulldozer. This is little bulldozer. Little bulldozer
went
to look at a fire engine. Hello, fire. And then said little bulldozer, I like helping. I will help you. Go away, said the fire engine. I'm going to a fire. You are too little to help at a fire. Go away. Little bulldozer went away. Hello. Went to look at a big truck. Hello, big truck. He said, I like helping. I will help you. Go away, little bulldozer, said the big truck. You are too little to help me. Go away and play. Little bulldozer went away. He cried and cried. I'm too little, he said. Oh, little bulldozer, said big bulldozer, come and help me with this tree. I'm too little to help you, said a little bulldozer. Come on, you are not too little, said the big bulldozer. Little bulldozer went to help. He helped and helped. Thank you, said big bulldozer. I'm not too little.
I'm not too little.
Bulldozer.
This word. That's a question mark. He's saying, I'm not too little, am I?
Said a little bulldozer, I'm not too little to help.
What did you think about that book?
Mm.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
What happened in the beginning of the book?
No one wanted to help.
Why didn't they want him to help?
Because he was little.
Because he was little. And then what happened?
A big bulldozer needed help with a big tree.
Yeah, and then what happened?
The big bulldozer asked little bulldozer to help.
Did the little bulldozer think he could do it, or didn't he think he could do it? Why didn't he think he could do it?
Because everyone's told him he's not allowed to help.
Oh. But in the end, did he help? Did he? And then what did he say about himself? Did he still think he was too little, or did he think that he was big enough to do things?
Big enough.
Did you ever feel that way about something? Somebody told you were too little to do something? No? Okay, did you like that book? Okay. What was your favorite part? What part did you like the best? What part's that?
he needs help with the tree.
Mm-hmm. Whenever the big one needed help with the tree. That's your favorite part? When the big one told him you're not too little? That was a good part. Great, thank you, Ariel.